Passed a law banning pride marches held by the LGBTQ plus community, sparking outrage in and out of the country. Parliament voted for the measure just a day after the bill was submitted on Monday, in the process fast-tracked by the ruling right-wing Fidesz party under the Prime Minister Viktor Orban. Orban also praised the legislation which bans the event on the alleged grounds it is harmful to children, saying, "We won't let woke ideology endanger our kids." Pride marches have been held for the past 30 years in Hungary. Also, the opposition lawmakers it flares during the voting session on Tuesday, while demonstrators blocked a bridge in the central Budapest. Human rights groups also have condemned the move. It is the latest measure from the Orban's government targeting Hungary's LGBTQ plus community. In 2020, the country abolished its legal recognition of transgender people, and in 2021, politicians passed a law banning the depiction of homosexuality to under 18s. Under the term of the new law, it is now forbidden to hold an assembly in violation of that 2021 legislation. Anyone who does that faces fine of up to €500. That could also include attendees and march organizers. Police have also allowed to use facial recognition technology to identify possible offenders. MPs also amended Hungary's right of assembly in parliament on Tuesday. The law now says that only events respecting the rights of children to proper physical, mental and moral development may take place. Also, opponents of Hungary's pride marches and of the country's LGBTQ plus community in general have regularly and without evidence accused such demonstration of being dangerous for minors. This is not child protection, this is fascism. Protesters outside the parliament on Tuesday chanted, "Assembly is a fundamental right." Also, they blocked off the central Budapest Margaret Bridge while staring down a police cordon. Also, the EU's Equality Commissioner Hadja Labib also condemned the move. "Everyone should be able to be who they are, live and love freely," she wrote on X platform. "The right to gather peacefully is a fundamental right to be championed across the European Union. We stand with the LGBTQI community in Hungary and in all member states." The organization of the Budapest Pride criticized the decision on the social media. "This is not child protection, this is fascism," they wrote. A democratic leader also would never think of restricting the fundamental right of those who disagree with him. Organizers vote to continue to hold their planned 30th Pride March in the Budapest on 28 June.